This is everybody. Wait for the camera. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Silence. Okay, today I'd like to talk about 911 dispatchers' responsibilities and work environments. And just for the record, 2 of my guests are cohorts at the local police department. First thing is, what does a 911 dispatcher do? 911 dispatchers answer 911 phones when you call 911. They talk to officers on the radio, fire personnel, and EMS. They send them out, and they decide priority of calls and who's responding and how many will respond. Where do 911 dispatchers work? They work in police departments, fire departments. They can be found in hospitals and sometimes in central communication centers. And these are sometimes mostly used in bigger areas. There's a central dispatch, and they're not necessarily connected to a police department. They're their own entity. Or in very rural areas where they have a lot of small police departments, they put them all together. And I'd also like to talk about kinds of equipment that dispatchers use. And I brought along some pictures for everybody to look at. And I'll explain these and then pass them around so everybody can get a close look. This is a dispatch console. Not every dispatch console is the same. Each department's different depending on budget, type of equipment, who they dispatch for. We'll start over here. Here you can see the radio. This is the radio. These 3 screens here support our record system and our CAD system, which is a computer-aided dispatch. And here is our phone. 911 phone lines, administrative lines, transfer lines, and that kind of thing. See 2 keyboards here. The top keyboard is for the phone system. The bottom keyboard we use for our record system. And you'll notice these pipe things here. Each console has the ability to have you have your own climate control. So you can do air if you're hot, or there's heat if you're cold. And they also raise up so you can stand up and dispatch, or you can sit down, or you can change the level of everything you make you comfortable. So pass that on. This is a picture of a flat screen TV we use to watch, monitor prisoners, people in the lobby, just different cameras around the police department. And you can kind of see like our booking area here, our Sally Port here. See our front lobby and some of the outdoor pictures. And this can be changed. We can change this around and look at different, make some bigger. Like when we have prisoners back there, you make the booking area bigger and that kind of thing. So it's really helpful. And this here is the phone system. As you can see, when a 911 call comes in, your information will pop up here. Usually if it's landline, if it's a cell phone, you usually just get the cell phone number and the tower it comes off of. Most cell phone calls are transferred in from the county though. That's how it works up here. Back in Missouri, it worked where cell phone line would actually bring up the information and bring up the tower within 100 feet of where the cell phone call was. These buttons here are our administrative lines. These here are 911 lines. So when a call comes in, you hear sirens and it all lights up, and then you just click on it and you listen. We use headsets. There's no desk mics, as you can tell. And then down here is just buttons we use for hold and that kind of regular phone functions. Over here is, you can see transfer, speed dial, and that kind of stuff. These are like pre-programmed for like your sergeants or front desk and that kind of thing. And this is the radio. The radio is obviously multi-frequency. And shows our main frequencies here, police department and the fire. Shows our backup fire frequencies. And shows different options we have, like these buttons here open the garages and that Sally ports. And then Sally's. And then these are different agencies, like West Dallas, Hales Corners, that kind of thing to listen to. And also the screens can be changed depending on who we needed to talk to. And that and the phone, I forgot to mention, they're both touchscreen. Yeah, there are mouses if you need them, but most everybody uses a touchscreen. And then here we have a picture of the 3 screens because that's the CAD system, computer-aided dispatch system, and Greenfield uses Phoenix system, records system. And you can kind of see here the green bars are the status of people on duty. It changes colors if they're on call or on their way back or that kind of thing. And there's a roster list here. This is where RMS is our record management system. That's where we put everybody's names and plates and call information. And right now I'm using Portal 100, which is where we run your license plates or run you and look for warrants and that kind of thing. We also use that for a link to NCIC and for wanted and Interpol, missing persons, that kind of thing. And then here's also a partial picture of the map that hangs from the ceiling. Each console has their own map and their own lighting system that hangs from the ceiling, so it's easier to tell what's going on. And like I said, each dispatch place is different. Each one needs different things, and they use whatever best suits them. Some people use desktop radios still. Some people use the computer ones. It's just all what better suits the company, your agency. So, in conclusion, I just hope this gives you an idea of what a dispatcher does and where they work.
Excellent. Very good.
How long was it?